Hi everyone, let's get ready to do some Heggerty exercises. We're going to start with rhyming, and I'm going to say 3 words, and you are going to repeat the 2 words that rhyme. You're going to have to listen closely because today the 2 rhyming words are not next to each other. So for example, if I were to say hot to lot, you would repeat hot lot. Okay, here we go. Tell the cell. Hit, knob, sit. Rod, hum, nod. Run, bat, sun. Mad, bet, dad. Deck, see, neck. Will, stop, fill. Land, you, sand. Cut, have, but. All right, okay, let's move on to listening for beginning sounds. I will say 2 words, you repeat the 2 words, and then together we'll say the beginning sound. Here we go. Bean, bear. B. Doll, door. D. Fox, farm. F. Good, goose. G. Nose, next. N. Happy, hymn. Kiss, key. K. Lock, like. L. Mall, man. M. Jar, jet. J. Good. Okay, now we're going to do blending syllables. I will say the 2 parts of the word, you repeat them, and then we'll blend them together. Here we go. Harden, harden. Follow, follow. Gargle, gargle. Punish, punish. Circus, circus. Turtle, turtle. Wiggle, wiggle. Simple, simple. Summer, summer. Quickly, quickly. Good. All right, now we're going to listen for ending sounds, but we're going to do this a little bit differently today. I'm going to say a very short sentence. You will repeat the short sentence, and then we will say the sound that we hear at the end of each of those words. So if I were to say, Dad fed Todd, you would repeat it, and then we would say, D, because that sound is at the end of Dad, fed, and Todd. Okay, here we go. Gus feels cross. S. Will, fill, still, fall. L. Ted and Rod laughed. D. Goose gets boots. S. Liz has frizz. Z. Hank, thank Frank. K. Good job. That was a little bit trickier. Okay, now we're going to segment syllables. So I will say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll clap out the syllables. Each of these is 2 syllables, so each one should get 2 claps. The word is after. After. The word is dentist. Dentist. The word is stormy. Stormy. The word is pickle. Pickle. The word is ticklish. Ticklish. The word is rabbit. Rabbit. The word is cartoon. Cartoon. The word is market. Market. The word is giggle. Giggle. The word is broken. Broken. Nice. Okay, now we're going to substitute beginning syllables. So these are all 2-syllable words, and we will change the first syllable to something different to make a new word. The word is butter. Change but to miss. Mister. The word is laughter. Change laugh to pain. Painter. The word is painter. Change pain to win. Winter. The word is winter. Change win to let. Letter. The word is letter. Change let to but. Butter. Okay, now we're going to add syllables. So we'll start with the first syllable and we'll add a second one to the end to make a new word. The word is but. Add to the end. Butter. The word is mean. Add est to the end. Meanest. The word is mem. Add ber to the end. Member. The word is feed. Add to the end. Feeder. The word is nice. Add est to the end. Nicest. Now we're going to delete syllables. So we'll start with a 2-syllable word and we'll remove the second syllable. The word is painter. Without the word is paint. The word is longest. Without est, the word is long. The word is slobber. Without the word is slob. The word is powder. Without the word is pow. The word is tallest. Without est, the word is tall. Good work. Okay, last exercise where we count words in spoken sentences. Here we go. We ate out last night. That's 5. Can you go with me? 5 again. I like to stand up straight. And that's 6. She was not sad. 4. Look at that bird. 4 again. This is not hard for me. 6. Last one. Did you scrape your knee? And that's 5. Nice job today, everybody. Great work.